All right, we back and ready to roll, huh? Oh, did you know which goes which?
Huh?
Which hose goes on which?
I don't know. Dude, if I would start this thing up and there'd be another leak, we would just go back to the motel until the morning.
Motel? We ain't at a motel, dude.
Here, ranches, brother.
Ranches.
I'm still lazy.
Yeah, I know you're lazy. There's one right under your foot.
Oh, shit. Is that you? Don't care. Liar! I was a little
here
from cues there a second.
While you're doing that, I need work on this. This looks seized.
Which goes which?
Ooh. Which one do I have?
This is
That's that side. This is this side, I believe. Okay.
I'm charging you extra for mechanic work.
I'm gonna charge you extra for messing it up.
It has to be somebody's fault.
Okay, let me.
Yeah, blame the fucking white guy, like everybody else in America.
Yo,
White guy's fault. White privilege.
oh, buddy. Okay, yeah.
Oh, shit. Let me see.
Your finger.
Right
There it
just
goes. There it is.
Let me get 4 points of contact in.
I think there's some stone in behind the bottom here, but
Close it up just a little bit like that. Okay, that's good right there for a second. Go ahead and let it down.
ow, my finger.
Okay, let's not do that.
You got,
Somewhere
you have
there's-
another one I can get this side over here.
Oh, we'll both grab it then. We'll put it up corner here for us.
Lift that corner up. Okay.
There you go.
We ready to rock and roll now.
Alright, let's just get all these bolts in.
And then we can start digging again.
Alright.
Oh,
I want somebody to work on getting these bolts in. I'll tighten everything up. But I want to get this assembly together.
Got it on it.
Just like that.
Let me hold the top.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Now.
My bad.
Good. I'm actually gonna have to.
You got a small one somewhere. Okay, you got that. Sorry, baby, you know me.
Ow!
Oh, my bad. Did it hurt?
Man, you act like I got steel toes on or something.
Should have dropped the bigger one.
Good.
Where'd you put that pin, Fuzz?
This side here is.
Hey, where'd you put that pin then? That little penny pin.
What you're wanting to do is take the vibration.
Where'd you put
I
it?
don't have my phone with me.
Well, you don't need your phone.
Here.
You take the socket, sir? Gracias, put. Senor. Oh, is that what they call you bad names? What's wrong with them?
I don't know. What's wrong with you, bro? Okay. Get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. I'll just throw that over there. Yeah, I just throw your hammer over there.
The disrespect around this bitch is real. I'm never working with y'all again.
Now, I think we're ready to crank out some holes now, eh?
I'm just trying to convince him to stay and work.
I know, I want to.
Him not being productive.
I know, I want to work. I want to get going. Get this job rolling.
It got cold again.
Well, it's a little chilly. It was snowing earlier at Lowe's. He said grab his phone, even though he don't need it. He said no. All right, come on, come on, come on. Oh, this guy is slow.
Did you get that pin off that?
I did. Drop it down, slowly. Whoa, a little more, a little more. And we're ready to roll. All right, give me that shovel. Now I ain't gotta be worried about getting sprayed. Oh, he's going that way.
Take a hole again.
Just get rolling. See, we got lights on the SkyTrak. We ain't gonna use that.
I've got a 2-man auger that I told him I could have brought. We could have had every held up.
I know.
That 2-man auger I got's no joke.
Is that the one that knocked you out?
No, but it's very similar. You heard about that one?
Yeah.
Oh, it beats the shit out of me.
Go back a little bit. Good. Okay, that's so much better. I ain't got to worry about getting drenched with that. That's so much better. Come on, let's go. I was just talking to them. Go back a little bit. Good. Huh?
Fuck no.
A little rocky.
Nice having hill painting.
Still straight. I think that's deep enough.